Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
आम्ही पिटिशन घातलेले बिफोर हायकोर्ट चॅलेंजिंग दी ऑर्डर ऑफ ट्रायब्युनल. Tribunal has passed the order saying that I am inclined to grant the postponement of the swearing ceremony because of law and order situation. That order we got it, and thereafter we challenged it before the High Court yesterday. And today the High Court has passed the order setting aside the order, and the direction is given to the Mamledar for swearing ceremony, and the tribunal matter will go on its own course.
So tribunal proceedings will continue.
Yeah, it will continue on its own course. There is
Okay.
no direction. But to tell you frankly, he has to challenge the election process before the tribunal. It is called election petition. He has not challenged the election process. Suppose if the other party has lost for some vote, then he can challenge saying that votes are not taken into consideration or this aspect. But he has not challenged that. He challenged simply, even before the tribunal, what he has challenged is the letter issued by the administrator saying that the election will be conducted on 9/2/25 based on the list of margins submitted by the secretary, which is correct. Again, that order he has challenged. I do not know what will be the fate of that. Let it go on its own course. We are not commenting on that. But today it's a victory of Mahajan of Mapsa, because somebody challenging the order before the first before the High Court, he lost it. Thereafter he went before the tribunal. He got the order. I don't know. He got the order somehow, and that too also reasoning was given by the tribunal court is because of law and situation order. I do not know, and the High Court has correctly passed the order. High Court has set aside the order, saying that there is no reasoning mentioned in the order.